To create and sell a Canva template and earn money through it, the first thing you want to do is to find a problem you want to solve or something that you need to design that your audience truly wants. And someone asked me to create a countdown timer for her, which prompted me to create this. Another thing I want you to know that the design must be originally yours. You don't just pick up a template from the Canva library and start selling. To sell this, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go here to share, and I will come down here to these three dots to click on see all. You will see where it says template link. So we will click on template link, and you can see that anyone with this link can use this design as a template. So what this means is that anyone that has access to this link you're creating can actually work with this design without affecting your original design. So the person makes a copy of this design and uses that as their own design. So it creates a new design in the person's Canva account. So the next thing I'm going to do is to hit on create template link. So this is the link I am going to be selling. So I'm going to copy this link. You want to come back to still in Canva and design a thank you for your purchase page. Here where it says get templates, that's where we'll put the link we got from our design. So we're going to come here where it says get template, and I will go over to the three dots, and you see here where it says link. You will click on it and paste that link we copied from the template, which is this, and we're going to click on done. Done again. Once you have this, you want to click here where it says share and come to download. You are downloading this as PDF prints. Once you're done, you're going to hit on download design. The next thing you want to do is to go over to your browser. This is the platform I use to sell my templates. How does this work? For a starter, you're going to sign up and set up your payout account. Their payout is usually very fast. So when you get sales, you get payouts almost immediately once you've connected your account. If you're in Nigeria, you're in some parts of Africa where you can't be able to sell on Etsy. And when you come here, you come to create and upload your products. This is where you're going to upload the file, the PDF file you got from Canva to sell. And once you're done, you're the one to drive traffic to your product. So if you have where you can announce that you have this product you're selling, you have this template, or you can just send your customers to the link and tell them use this link to purchase this product. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Do have a good one.